How do you fix Limbus Company is crashing on Steam? So first you will need to right-click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. And from here, from the second table, you'll need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer for distributables and install both of them. And once you've installed them, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app, otherwise you can use the AMD software. And from the drivers section, you can check and get the latest driver update and make sure to install it. Next, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.